Guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a Pokemon V Strikers tin featuring Tyranitar V. This is an older set that I actually found at Walmart the other day while I was there. I figured, you know what, I may as well pick it up just to see what was inside, because I don't remember exactly what came in these tins from before. So let's get into it, guys. Get this open. And they have the perfect way of putting that promo card in. This is the preferred way that I prefer. Has that nice little plastic insert in the back to keep the card right in place for you. Let's get rid of that and get the card out so we can take a better look at it. There's our beautiful Tyranitar V promo card. And behind that we have our code card for the tin for you guys right there. Let's see what kind of pack selection we have in this. So far I can see a Brilliant Stars on top. Let's see what else is behind it. Let's see, we have 2 Brilliant Stars. Oh my goodness, guys, look what we got. Evolving Skies. 3 Evolving Skies packs. Wow. Beautiful pack selection in here. Let's get started with Brilliant Stars. Hopefully we can find a Charizard in here today. Card code for you. Don't mind the loud AC unit, guys. Unfortunately, it is pretty warm out here in California today. We start off with Water Energy, Gloria, Roseanne's Backup, Staravia, Trapinch, Piplup, Shroomish, Purloin, Duskull, a reverse Farfetch'd, and a regular rare Staraptor, non-holo. Continue on, the second pack of Brilliant Stars. Good card code for this one. Dark Energy starting us off. Ace Roller's Premonition. Pot Helmet. Executor. Riolu. Starly. Milcery. Carblast. Clefairy. A reverse Cleansing Gloves. Oh, and we got a Kingler V. There we go. One hit right off the bat, or not right off the bat, on the second pack. Alright, Evolving Skies, the big pack. Will we find something awesome out of this pack? This is what I'm hoping today for. Will we find a Moonbreon in here, guys? That would be the dream. Alright, and we are starting off with Psychic Energy for this pack. Boldore, Aroma Lady, Moon and Sun Badge, Slackoff, Emolga, Carvana, Bergmite, Nickit, a reverse Rufflet, and a regular holo rare Jumpluff. Alright, Sylveon, will you have anything for me today in here? Card code for you. And I'll take a Trainer Gallery illustration rare, something of that sort. We have Metal Energy, Elemental Badge, Spirit Mask, Full Face Guard, Cryogonal, Zorua, Swablu, Hoppip, Wobbuffet, Tropius Reverse, and a Seismitoad regular rare. Alright, it's all coming down to you, Rayquaza. Will you have the fire today? Last pack magic. Will we get it today, guys? Oh, I see something back there. We have Dark Energy, Golduck, Single Strike, Scroll of the Fanged Dragon, Floette, Petalil, Chinchou, Fletchling, Love Disc, Glossifleur, Reverse Bagon, and a Dracozolt VMAX Rainbow Rare for us. Wow, Dynamaxed. Dracozolt VMAX. Look at that, guys. We got ourselves a Rainbow Rare from Evolving Skies. Probably not the best card, but hey, it's still hard to pull. Rainbow Rares are awesome to see. Alright, guys. Well, we got ourselves quite the pack, quite the selection today. We got, of course, our Tyranitar V promo card, Kingler V, and our Dracozolt VMAX Rainbow Rare today. Alright, guys. You know what to do. Like, subscribe, and comment for more Pokemon fun, and we'll see you in the next one.